Holmes took on Techman Robotics about 6 months ago. Now this is an absolutely fantastic example of how you've incorporated the robotics into your own bespoke solutions. What do we have here behind us, Kev?
What we have is a fully automated cobot collaborative robot mounted on a gantry system. It's feeding from an automatic drawer system, and it's also feeding two machines, of which this complete unit fits in between. So pretty much where you're standing at the moment is one of the windows to for the robot to enter and load the first machine, and pretty much directly opposite me is the window of the second machine. So hence the diagonal positioning of the gantry to allow it to fully stroke both machines.
So this system is going to be feeding two machines. What machines are they?
They're 5-axis Doosan's. They're machining 4 varieties of a similar medical component, each a little bit different in their own way, which presents another problem where the collaborative robot comes into its own. The drawer system, there will be barcodes within the drawer system on the components for the collaborative robot to be able to recognise what the component is and to be able to talk to the machine, so the machine can select the correct program to give the correct finished part prior to the robot unloading the machine.
So it's making it foolproof essentially. Now you've also got a built-in vision onto this robot. Is that unique?
It is pretty unique, although I believe there are other competitive solutions breaking into the market, but this is certainly one of the first ones we came along. We, as you know, are working in tandem with HMK, who basically allowed us to help them market that particular suite of robots. It does complement the type of work that we get involved in, and it's a beautiful bit of kit as far as we're concerned.
You certainly don't choose easy work here at Brown and Holmes. Now, I must state the robot is a standard piece of equipment, but the whole complete solution is totally been designed here at Brown and Holmes to meet the customer's requirement. Is that correct?
That's totally correct, and I think that was the attraction to HMK, and that, you know, both of us like to say experts in our own field, and bringing the two together we can offer more than just an individual robot.
So automation is huge, and I think it is a big factor to the UK's success moving forward. You know, in regards to special applications like this, you know, how should people get in touch with you? And are you prepared to kind of do special applications for anyone, or at least to look at them?
Absolutely. As you know, and you've just said, Brown and Holmes like a challenge, and we do see things through to the death. And yeah, there are lots of applications we come across where this type of system would complement and give our potential customers massive productivity improvements going forward.